Like, ow. Go. Oh. Hi. Wait, I forgot the number. 1-866. Oh, that was 1-800. Oh, yeah. Okay. Anyways, hi, my name is Stephanie, and I'm here with Amanda. She's voting. Dang it, it's busy.
Hello.
What are you doing? Videotaping?
Lionel, yeah. That's my mom's CD.
That's your mom's CD?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh.
It is.
Nuh-uh.
It is her CD. You can ask her. It is her CD. My dad likes it too.
How would I ever guess though? There's nothing wrong with it. I thought it was okay.
I'm getting the rest of my Coke. My mom's asleep. I look like crap.
Oh, look at this picture. You ready? You ready? You ready? Oh, isn't he cute?
It's her dad.
It's not my dad. It's just a really cute picture.
Look at these.
Oh.
They were for prom.
Thank you.
I'm never going to go to prom because I'm never going to have a boyfriend.
You turd, you're going to edit that. Hey.
Okay, we're watching, I don't know if this is too close, but we're watching the Sherman Mountain Boys.
Buggy Mountain Breakdown. Gag the living heck out of me. I don't like this.
She's texting.
She's in love.
I like the mandolin player because I play mandolin.
It's a 5 a.m. right now. Alright, that's a big victory, people like to call it. Gag me. Oh.
Okay, we'll skip the guy that plays the... Stop it! She's just bored because... Oh, she just doesn't like it because...
It's an old song.
It's an old song, and the fact that this one dude named Dylan at our church, he plays this song.
Way too much!
People watch our videos from church.
And? You think I'm afraid? I hope
Okay, here's the mandolin.
afraid.
Okay, I have to admit, he's not that good at this song. And that guy in the back, he's just a bass. He's not really important. Well, I take
my dad plays the bass
I
at our
take
church.
that back.
I wonder if I can temporarily sound like...
Isn't that amazing? Oh.
No,
I'm zooming in.
it's not.
Isn't that wonderful? Those two boys right there.
She's in love.
Oh wait, it's zooming. It's zoomed in.
Your face is probably like way up close. Do you know what hyper-dispensationalist means?
We're hyper.
No.
Well, this is my definition. Hyper, that means you're hyper. Dis, we're in dis house. Pen, we used pens for the for one of the videos for microphones. Hyper, dis, pen, stational. We're sensational. Hyper dispensationalist. We're fans of a ventriloquist. Wait, no, we like a ventriloquist called Jeff Dunham.
You're so off. You still don't pay attention in church. Huh?
Hold on, people. Like, oh,
yeah. Okay. Do you know what Calvinist means?
The Calvin dude at our church, you know, with the big teeth in the mouth that will not stop moving.
No.
What does it mean?
It's a religion.
Oh, it's a religion.
Other Calvin might have his own religion.
Yeah, the one who's like, the one that won't shut up.
Feed me, you must.
No,
JK.
It's like, Calvin, I got this from my friend Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. Okay.
Hi, Buford.
Hey, Buford. Buford, York. Okay, anyway.
Hey! Okay, talking.
Okay. What was it?
Elizabeth said something.
Oh, yeah, Elizabeth. Calvin, what did she say?
I don't know, I wasn't there.
Yes, you were. You were right there.
On the way back.
Yes,
from
she's like, Calvin,
temple.
oh yeah, Calvin, there's a hole in your mouth, and it won't seem to quit moving. Because you won't be quiet. No offense to you, Calvin.
No, offense taken.
Cool.
I want to stay home and bake cookies with you. You've never seen that movie, have you?
No.
Space Jam?
Mm-mm.
You were so deprived.
She's introduced me to many things, like haunted houses.
Past last year.
That scared my life, well, kind of. The fact that I met you.
Deprived you. I've introduced you into things I should have not introduced you into.
Like?
I don't know if haunted housing was such a good idea. Your first year.
I was locked into a room with Freddy, but I didn't know
it at the time.
I know, but the
and Leatherface.
Thank you.
But he wasn't till the end.
But the Scream guy, that's like my worst fear, almost. The Scream guy. Aww.
Freddy's mine, and I'm gonna go see a new Freddy movie Friday.
With your friend Travis.
Yep, he's probably gonna get clawed. Him or my mom, one of them.
But like, the Scream guy locked me in there, but he was the one that had the happy face, but still it didn't make it any better.
He was only a teenager. I made him feel bad.
I know, because I was crying, and I was like, get me out of this freaking place!
Get me out of this freaking place!
So like, this is my first time.
Yeah, first time anything haunted, and we take you to one that they can touch you.
Thank you very much.
Not smart.
Tell them what happened to you.
I got killed by a whole bunch of hillbilly people. And I froze and was too afraid to cry. I wanted to. I will admit. Too afraid. I'm trying to get out.
Baby Drool, yeah. I got barbecue stain on my white t-shirt. She was killing me in that mini skirt.